You don't like her? What does that mean? So I can't hold her? So I can't hold her. I can hold her. But you keep chasing after her.
Are you jealous?
Are you jealous? God, you jealous. Are you jealous? Look at her. She's just a sheep.
What's wrong, Kira?
Aww.
Let her kiss her.
No.
There you go. She gave her a kiss.